So you're here to install your operating system and you cannot because it shows Windows can't be installed on this particular drive. If you're facing this issue and you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, we are here to help you out. So first things first, what you have done a mistake is while you were converting your USB to a bootable drive via Rufus. So what you need to check is while you are on the error menu, you need to check whether it's stuck in MBR or GPD. You need to check the drive of yours, whether it's in GPD or MBR. You can also go to the notepad by pressing Shift F10 and then type this part and just check whether it's GPD or MBR. Once you do that, you need to format your USB under that particular partition system only. So if it's GPD and it requires GPD, so make sure you are formatting your USB on GPD only. If it's MBR, just like mine, it required MBR. So what you need to do is just go there, select the MBR partition and just start, and that's it, as simple as that. And then your Windows will be ready and it would be installing. I hope you like this video. Share this video with your friends. I hope to see you in my next one. Till then, goodbye. I hope it fixed your problem.
I know.